Hello guys, my name is Tobiloba Asu Johnson. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Zap Africa. And hello to all my FUNAABites. It's really great to be able to speak to you after doing a solid 5 years in FUNAAB. I remember when I just got into 100 level, doing my A to G form, trying to settle in. One of the first things I always just ask myself is, how am I going to survive here? Fanta was like 100 naira, buying food, a good plate of meal would be like 250 naira. Then I don't know how much it's going to cost now, but yeah, one thing I always really think about was like surviving here is going to be really expensive for me. I mean, they have too much support from home, so I was always thinking, oh, how can I make money? How can I earn more money than the pocket money that I'm actually giving from home? And I just had to try to figure out something, some way, do some sort of business that sold jerseys. And eventually I started to sell cryptocurrencies and buy cryptocurrencies from my classmates and friends. Why am I talking about this? I'm talking about this because I understand the needs of every student that would be in FUNAAB right now. Every student trying to make it out, trying to start something, trying to make an extra few thousands of naira. And what I just want everyone to know is that there is always going to be a way. You just have to figure it out. And that will be leading to our topic, which is going to be earning with blockchain and digital finance with Zap Wallet and Zap Exchange as well. Zap Exchange. So let's start with introduction to blockchain and digital finance. What is blockchain? So imagine a notebook that everyone can see, but no one can change unfairly, right? It keeps like a record of transactions, people sending money in a way that is safe, also receiving money in a way that is safe, clear, and trustworthy. And one thing about the blockchain is that there is no need for middlemen. For example, your banks like today, they are middlemen between transactions that you send to someone else. Let's say you're transferring money as Mr. A to Mr. B. The banks are the middlemen that make sure these transactions go through. They are the third party that will be between these transactions. But unlike the banks, on blockchain, you don't need any third parties or middlemen. Why is blockchain important? It helps send money faster, cheaper, especially for those who don't have access to banks. What does this mean? It means like a lot of people in Africa, in Nigeria today are unbanked, right? And they don't have the necessary information for the KYC, which is their passports, the NIN, and they also cannot really afford a lot of the fees that are being charged for them to perform transactions with banks today. People are able to now perform transactions anywhere in the world. If you're in Ikorodu, if you're in Oshodi, you can send money straight to Singapore in a matter of seconds without having to pay a lot on fees, right? I mean, using chains like BP20, BN, which is your BNB, you can transfer for as little as 1 cent for to send about, let's say, $10,000 worth of crypto, which is awesome, right? And this is a very, very big thing. This is a very, very big problem that we are facing here in Africa, in Nigeria today. And another thing, another reason why blockchain is important, transactions are safe and they are not easy to hack. So you sending money from point A to point B, there is no way someone can interfere with that transaction, pause it, or redirect that transaction, which is really, really great. And the third thing about blockchain, why it's important for finance, is it's transparent. So everyone can verify their transactions if needed, because there's, like I said, the online notebook. So every transaction is transparent because it cannot be changed. What is digital finance? Digital finance means using technology like apps and internet to handle money. For example, sending money with a phone, buying online, using digital currencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's faster, it's seamless, it's easier. With just a mobile app on your phone, you can send and receive money anywhere in the world, anywhere in Nigeria, anywhere in Africa, which is great. And why is digital finance growing in Africa? I would say one of the reasons because many people don't have access to traditional banks in Africa. Smartphones and mobile apps are helping people save, send, and earn money without needing a bank account today. That's why a lot of people will have an OP account but won't have a GT bank account. Digital finance tools are cheaper, faster, making life easier for families, businesses, and workers today. And that is why we all need to understand the importance of digital finance and see how we can all use that to our advantage, because there are advantages. What does this mean for you as a student? Blockchain and finance give you tools to save money, send money anywhere in the world, and even earn with using apps like Zap Wallet and Zap Exchange. So how do you earn money and receive money by using Zap and Zap Exchange? So first of all, we have Zap Wallet. Zap Wallet lets you have um, a a non-custodial wallet, meaning we do not have access to your money. You have private keys which you use to perform transactions, right? And you use to also access your wallet as well, right? This innovation was created because we all know about a lot of exchanges that went down when the company went insolvent, and a lot of people lost millions and mostly all their savings that were kept in that particular platform. And this is one of the things we're trying to mitigate. We're trying to solve this problem by giving people complete full access over their assets, over their money. And how does that help? Because a lot of people that had the opportunity to grow their cryptocurrency portfolio and lost it when exchanges like Patricia, FTX, and Celsius went down. They were not in control of their financial destinies. And now, another way you can earn with Zap Wallet is by receiving money as a freelance student or opening a business that accepts cryptocurrency without having to even do any KYC unless you're ready to interact with your Naira or your dollars or your pounds or your euros. And this is one thing that will definitely be simplifying how people actually receive money all over the world. You don't need to wait a few days to receive a payment because it's coming from Europe. You don't need to wait for a few days to receive a payment because it's coming from the US anymore. With crypto, you can receive money anywhere in the world in a matter of seconds. Let's talk about how digital finance is growing in emerging markets like Africa. I mean, in the olden days, you would have to probably sell your goods and services for cash, or to send money, you'd have to walk miles to actually perform transactions. But today, I mean, we have digital finance platforms. These people have simplified how people send and receive money, made opening accounts easier for your everyday Nigerians, banking the unbanked, and that is basically what blockchain as well does today. I mean, like you can be a freelancer today, starting up your own business, and like you can receive payments anywhere in the world using crypto. For example, let's say you started working for like a company not in Africa, then in the US. Just with your seed phrase, you can create a wallet without any KYC, where you can receive your monthly payments from anywhere in the world, from any company paying you anywhere in the world, and you receive it in a matter of seconds, which is awesome. Like we don't have any limits to where we can send money and how we can where we can receive money from anywhere using crypto. Saving in Naira today is not very advisable, and with Zap Wallet, you can actually start saving and start receiving money anywhere in the world. Talking about businesses now, businesses that are set up, for example, you want to receive payments at any time, anywhere in the world, anywhere. Let's say you have a friend that you're sending stuff to, maybe you sell clothes, you sell shoes, and you're shipping to your friend, and he's in the UK or he's in the US, and he wants to pay you for the service that what you've done for him. You're definitely not going to want to receive that through your Naira bank account. You're definitely going to need a payment platform that's going to let you receive international payments without too much stress, too much hassles in a matter of seconds. Cost of traveling is going up every year due to devaluation of the currency and inflation. You definitely don't want to be saving your money in Naira trying to leave the country, because it will always go down. You would always need more money, and that is something that you also need to have at the back of your mind. So let's talk about Zap Wallet. What is Zap Wallet? Zap Wallet is a digital tool that helps people manage money using blockchain. Basically, it's a non-custodial wallet that allows you to use a seed phrase instead of using a username and password. But what is a seed phrase? A seed phrase is a 12 or 24 word password that lets you access your wallet at any point in time. And what is the importance of actually having complete control over your assets and using a seed phrase wallet over the username and password for centralized exchanges? It's basically just you being able to be in control of your financial destiny, right? Let's talk about reasons why Zap Wallet is better than most centralized exchanges, or why it's a better option than most centralized exchanges. First of all, your money is in your control. Have you ever had situations whereby like you sent some money to a sort of crypto exchange, and first of all it got withheld, or they asked you to start going to go and bring more information about yourself, where the money came from, so on and so forth? Now that is one thing you can definitely avoid using Zap Wallet compared to the other centralized exchanges. Zap wallet, you don't have to worry about any withdrawal policy, because first of all, you're with your money, it's in your own wallet. It's not with me, it's not with anyone else in the team. You alone have the power to determine when and where you withdraw your money to, and where you receive. And I feel like this is one step closer to actual financial freedom, which is really what crypto stands for. The next advantage of having Zap Wallet is crypto to fiat swaps. Now, yes, you are in control of your assets, but sometimes you're definitely going to need to convert your crypto to fiat and fiat to crypto. You can also convert your money to dollars, to euros, to pounds, and to Canadian dollars, which no other exchange can actually let you do at the moment. It makes it easy for everyone to actually send and receive money anywhere in the world. So you saying you want to send some money in the UK, doesn't necessarily have to be you sending them crypto. You can also send them pounds by spending crypto over here. So you send crypto, you use Zap to convert the crypto to pounds, and they receive their pounds. And if they were to send USD, but you wanted to receive it as crypto, they do it through Zap, you receive your crypto. Isn't that awesome? Yes, it is. And now that's not even the best part. We also have virtual cards, which allow you, like I mentioned earlier, to buy and um access different services all over the world. Go on shopping platforms where they don't really accept Naira cards. So in summary, Zap Wallet allows you to have complete control over your funds. You don't hold your money. You would always have complete control over your funds. Your funds cannot be withheld when you try to withdraw. There will be no withdrawal pending or post withdrawals. We also are a multi-currency exchange, which allows you to convert your crypto to dollars, pounds, euros, and Canadian dollars, not only Naira. Then let's not forget that we have the best rates when it comes to crypto to fiat, which is your crypto to Naira and other currencies, and crypto to crypto, which is basically BTC to ETH to USDT to Solana. Now let's talk about the virtual cards and the physical cards. I feel like the virtual cards that has been really explained, but physical cards is allowing you to spend on your everyday expenses, whether be it food, be it transportation for your Uber, be it anything. You don't really need to convert to Naira to actually enjoy these facilities. You can just spend by funding your physical cards with crypto. So thank you guys for allowing me be able to teach you more about our products, be able to explain the benefits of being on the digital finance. And if you really want to know more about crypto, we have a Zap Academy crypto course for our customers, for people that really want to learn. You can find us on Telegram, you can find us on WhatsApp, you can hit us up on Instagram, Twitter. If you want to learn more, we'll redirect you to the community where you would start your journey as a cryptocurrency trader or as a cryptocurrency user. Thank you so much for having me, you guys. It was great speaking with you guys. Hope to do this sometime next year or sometime sooner. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye, guys.